First, you're gonna host a game. Put some random name. If you want a password, you can add it. And pick the amount of players you want in your game. Oh. Oh yeah. You can enable it and disable it. Okay. Once you're in the game, press escape. And what you want to do, you can press shift tab, press this friends button, and you can invite all the people that are online right now, like my friend right here. I want to invite him. I press invite to game, and then you can join like that. Or what your friends can do, you're gonna see your server right here after you make it. You can search it up, and yeah, see it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.